Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Char Siu chicken. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here and watching on whatever platform you're watching us on. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making Char Siu chicken. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got 2 cloves of garlic that we've minced up, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and we got 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Let's start making our marinade. All right, we've got our hoisin sauce. We're just going to put that in first. Ketchup. Sesame oil. Our honey. Cinnamon. Allspice. Soy sauce. And our freshly minced garlic there. We're just going to mix this all up really well, get everything combined. Then I'm just going to take a gloved hand here, and we're going to put our chicken up here. We're going to pour the marinade on the chicken. We're going to make sure that chicken is fully covered. Wrap this in saran wrap, refrigerate it for up to 24 hours. All right, then we're going to put it, once it's marinated, we're going to put it on a hot grill. Usually outside on a char grill would be good to give it a little char. This works well too. We're just going to let that cook. Okay, so I flipped it. And I've added some more of the marinade. The rest of what we had is on there now, just to help it glaze up and char a little bit on this grill. So I'm going to let this continue to cook till it gets to 165 internally. Then we're going to plate this up. I got something special for you. We're going to take some pictures of it, throw some music in there. You guys enjoy that, and we're going to come back. We're going to give it a taste. Don't go anywhere. Done. The music, everything looks good, tastes good, let's hope. I just took some soba noodles and added a little bit of the, not the marinade we used, but I did another marinade off to the side, and I just cooked these noodles in that sauce. Pretty good. But there's our Char Siu chicken. All cooked and grilled nicely, a little char on it. There it is right there. It's going for the bite. Got that hoisin sauce and that honey, a little bit of sweetness in there. Soy sauce gives it some savoriness and umami. A little bit of garlic coming through there. Ketchup gives it just a bit of some saltiness. Allspice adds a little bit of elegance to it. It's really good. The longer you marinate it, the better flavor you're going to get. So this is char sweet chicken. Usually char sweet pork, but we made char sweet chicken. It's really good. Recipe is in the description box of the first pinned comment down below. Don't forget to look for that. You will enjoy this very much. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.